With the release of Polyworks V12, Innovmetric software proudly introduced a breakthrough in portable metrology, and equipped with the Polyworks Talisman remote control app for Apple mobile devices, the power of the Polyworks Universal 3D Metrology software platform is in the palm of your hand. With Polyworks Talisman, users can see the laser scans as they are being captured, have intelligent visual guidance while probing specific locations, view single or multiple digital readouts or DROs when building a fixture, jig, or mounting a component on a part, configure a probing session, such as the measurement mode or the reflector type, remotely perform all the typical probing actions like start, stop, undo last point, or reprobe, read and respond to messages without having to go back to your computer. Before we start, let's first install and configure the Polyworks Talisman app. Polyworks Talisman can be downloaded free of charge from the Apple App Store. Once you have Polyworks Talisman installed on your mobile device, you'll need to enable the Polyworks Talisman server from the Polyworks Workspace Manager options under the Polyworks Talisman branch. The final step is to connect your computer and mobile device together using Wi-Fi, either through your computer as a Wi-Fi hotspot or by using a Wi-Fi router connected to your computer and then to your mobile device. Once everything has been set up, you'll be able to see all of your open Polyworks IM Inspect projects. Now, let's take a closer look at 3D Scene Display Mode, which helps you see laser scans directly on the mobile device while they are being captured. You'll even be able to do real-time comparison to a reference model while scanning. And when probing, the 3D Scene Display Mode gives you intelligent visual guidance so that you can probe specific areas with better visual feedback. Using Apple device gestures, you can perform swiping with one finger to move the objects in the 3D scene, tapping before the swipe to enable 3D rotations, pinching to zoom on the object, rotating a finger around the fixed thumb to rotate around the 3D scene viewing axis. Now let's see how Polyworks Talisman can be used in other modes on the shop floor to boost efficiency. While the digital readout is available in 3D Scene, in DRO display mode, you can view a single or multiple DROs in full screen on your mobile device. This is particularly useful to see the position of your probe. DRO display mode is fully exploited when using the Polyworks Build Inspect functionality. This tool gives you real-time distance display of the features. Using this combination, you can accurately build a fixture in minimum time and precisely mount a component on a part or even inspect its features. So whether you're in the 3D Scene mode or in DRO display mode, you can perform all of the typical probing actions to complete your measurement session. And depending on your needs, especially if you're using a laser tracker, you can put Polyworks Talisman in remote control mode, which displays only two buttons: measurement start and stop. With Polyworks Talisman, access to the probing options is at your fingertips. This avoids having to go back to your computer to set the probe or the reflector, or to switch between single and continuous probing modes. Since Polyworks Talisman puts you in complete control over the measurements, what was once a two-man job has become a one-man operation. And when it comes to flexibility, Polyworks Talisman allows you to focus on the measurements so that you can get the job done right the first time. Polyworks Talisman app gives you live feedback from Polyworks during your measurement process. This means that you can directly read and respond to messages without having to go back to your computer. So if ever you take a bad point without noticing and receive an error message indicating that the feature is out of tolerance, you can immediately respond to the error message and indicate whether you want to accept the object or reprobe it. All this done remotely. Another great feature of the Polyworks Talisman is that you can also launch many operations directly from your mobile device, such as selecting a probing operation or changing your device position. Remote areas and the distance from your workstation are no longer obstacles in your measurement session. Bring Polyworks along with you when measuring large objects and hard-to-reach areas, truly making it your partner to every measurement session. While it's your computer that computes all the measurements taken during a session, Polyworks Talisman gives you remote access to the results that are stored on your workstation. With this intelligent remote control, your measurement session is always at your fingertips. As you can see, the Polyworks Talisman offers you the flexibility to probe inside those hard-to-reach areas, eliminating the hassle and risk that come with positioning your laptop in awkward places and letting you focus on the task of taking accurate measurements. Polyworks Talisman can also be used to run macro programs, making its possibilities endless. Innovmetric Software is aware of the stringent security requirements that its industrial manufacturing customers impose, and this is why Polyworks Talisman has been designed to guarantee total confidentiality under all circumstances. Polyworks Talisman communicates with Polyworks through a secured local Wi-Fi network and ensures top security characteristics for ultra-confidential setups. More specifically, Polyworks Talisman only connects to a live Polyworks session and does not connect to the internet or any other computer. The communication between the remote control and Polyworks is encrypted. No proprietary CAD data is transferred on the remote control. No numerical measurement values are transferred, only images are transferred. It is not possible to save information on the mobile device. Network administrators can explicitly restrict usage to a predefined list of device IDs. What's more, Innovmetric also provides instructions to network administrators who wish to disable the built-in camera, the possibility of taking screen captures, or internet access. To download the Polyworks Talisman app, search for Polyworks in the Apple App Store. With Polyworks Talisman, the power of Polyworks' universal 3D metrology software platform is in the palm of your hand while measuring on the shop floor. For more information, please visit us at innovmetric.com.